Hey there, it's Tank Girl at Mobile Congress 2018 with the Nokia 7 Plus. Yes, this is a beautiful, look at this gold and white phone. 6-inch display, 1080p. This is a edgeless 18:9 display this time. And this is a pretty big phone, but man, does it feel good in hand. It's machined out of a solid block of aluminum, of course, with these gold anodized accents on the edge. Like, wow. And then the accents around the camera and the fingerprint reader. Yep, it is a hottie. I love white phones. I can't wait to get my hands on this guy. So, dual camera system in the back, 12 megapixels times 2. Fingerprint reader, same Zeiss optics and all that. Flash as the Scirocco Nokia 8 that I did earlier. And then on the front, as I said, that's beautiful 6-inch ultra-wide screen display. Inside, there's a Snapdragon 630, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. So you're not talking about super high-end here, but it's still very, very nice. There's a large 3800 milliamp hour battery, and the front-facing camera is actually 16 megapixels, which is a kind of a higher end compared to even the Scirocco. So there you have it. This is the Nokia 7 Plus here at Mobile Congress. Let me walk you through the edges. It's so delightful. You got a power lock key here on the right-hand side. And then you can see this gold thing just goes all the way around. On the bottom here is USB Type-C with a speaker hole, some microphones. SIM slot is here on the left-hand side towards the top, as you'd expect. And there is a headphone jack at the top, which is really great. So that's the lay of the land here on this beautiful phone. And stay tuned for more out of Mobile Congress. Subscribe, like the video, and don't forget, mobiletechpodcast.com. That's where my podcast lives. Subscribe and enjoy. Cheers, everybody.